Land basically is a digital currency that has been encircled by a great deal of discussion since its fantastic accident in every practical sense, because of misfortunate occasions, or so they fundamentally thought. Notwithstanding, the group behind the cryptographic money in every way that really matters is striving to bring the land biological system back in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Accordingly, its value's been bullish as of late with explicitly desires to get back to commonly previous brilliance, which fundamentally is very huge, hence and the kind of capability of the venture. We for the most part needed to impart to you our land cost expectations, estimates for the years 2022 to 2030 in a kind of significant manner. Land value forecast 2022 to 2030, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Land's future cost is challenging to generally foresee as it most certainly is dependent on various variables, including the presentation of the land organization, worldwide monetary circumstances, the financial exchange, and the cost of especially other digital currencies. In any case, assuming that land proceeds to sort of develop as a venture at its ongoing rate, it fundamentally is conceivable that the cost assessment for Luna could without much of a stretch sort of return to its by and large past exceptionally prime and likely in any event, generally outperform it, which is genuinely huge. Remember that these are basically theories, albeit upheld by realities and other to some degree by and large strong elements. So, we should go to the fascinating part with regards to an unpretentious way. 2022 land value expectation, or so they generally thought. A portion of the monetary business top names have really loaned their weight to land's cost guess, which in every practical sense is very huge. The quantity of coordinated efforts and occasions with the digital money area exhibits that truly many individuals by and large are sure about digital currencies as a general rule, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As per that into land's exhibition over the previous year, it might generally accomplish a gigantic sort of lift by the current year's end and truly go over the price tag of $6.25 in an unpretentious manner. All the more unequivocally, we really anticipate that the cost of Luna should move somewhere in the range of $6.19 and $6.36 in an unobtrusive manner. 2023, or so they truly thought. Numerous experts truly have made land's cost expectations for 2023. And the kind of broad agreement is that the cost of land will keep on ascending in an unpretentious manner. This depends on various variables, including the rising utilization of the land blockchain, the developing notoriety of crypto, and the generally fundamentally inspirational perspective for the worldwide economy, or so they especially thought. While it generally is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of land will be in 2023, most specialists basically concur that it has the possibility to arrive at new levels, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. All the more everything being equal, we can truly anticipate that the cost of land should reach $9.54, $9.89 toward the finish of 2023, which essentially is genuinely huge. 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming the development of land proceeds, we can without much of a stretch in a real sense see it getting huge reception, which generally is genuinely critical. Our cost expectation for 2024 is basically as most certainly moderate as lovely conceivable to not misinform you, or so they thought. As per our specialized examination, toward the finish of 2024, the cost of land will reach something like $11.68 incredibly. In the event that we certainly let ourselves be a piece most certainly more speculative, we'd in a real sense raise it to $12.35 in an unobtrusive manner. 2025 land value expectation. As per in every practical sense, numerous land lovers and their cost forecasts, Luna costs might rise decisively in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $13.13 and $13.55. Remember that this could likewise explicitly be the year when we see another bear market, in which situation the cost can come around up to 80%, bringing about a cost assessment for Luna at around $3.22 in an every practical sense, significant way. Be that as it may, the most sensible assumption explicitly is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With far and wide reception, the possibility of Luna as a fundamentally modest and helpful computerized resource could in every practical sense become a reality, or so they certainly thought. For this situation, we should likewise sort of consider that the land organization can altogether sort of grow and create, which is very critical. All things considered, costs might try and go as essentially high as $14.16, yet that really is very aggressive. 2026. Keeping our moderate methodology, we will not really attempt to make crazy cost expectations for land, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking explicitly, albeit genuinely many truly break down and generally accept that by 2026 the cost of Luna will in a real sense be no less than $17.45. We'd explicitly give an alternate worth, or so they thought. 2026 is really not excessively far away. Yet as far as crypto, it is, or so they truly thought. As indicated by our examination, land will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $16.59 and $17.72, which basically is genuinely critical. 2027 in a fundamentally significant manner. As the years sort of go by and land proceeds with its development and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly truly consider it filling in the assessment to be well in a quite large manner. We imply that Luna will be assessed at around $18.94, $20.19, or so they thought. Through specialized examination, it truly creates the impression that the for the most part lower range of our value expectation will truly be considerably more precise than the higher, which truly is genuinely huge. However, obviously, the crypto market especially is very flighty, so we will need to sit back and watch, which is very huge. 2028, or so they sort of thought. In 2028, in the event that land in every practical sense emerges with new undertakings and encounters extremely further reception, we can see it possibly arriving at a cost of $22.25, $23.93, which is genuinely huge. Ideally, the venture will proceed to, in every practical sense, create and generally draw in even certainly more crypto clients. In any case, it especially is conceivable that it will really lose the vast majority of its worth by 2028. 2029, which especially is genuinely huge. For the genuinely last year of the 10 years, numbers show that digital currencies will have generally gotten comfortable most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. By that, we fundamentally imply that tokens will truly be nothing out of the kind of standard any longer, or so they truly thought. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so on in a genuinely enormous way. In that capacity, land will commonly be moving from around $25.65 to $28.69 effectively, despite the fact that we can likewise sort of see it arriving at the cost of $31.45 in an especially significant manner. 2030 land value forecast in a significant manner. Crypto cost forecasts really are generally troublesome, as the digital money market truly is profoundly unpredictable, or so they truly thought. Indeed, even certainly more so when we in every way that really matters are discussing 8 years into the future amazingly. A few specialists generally have conjectured that land's cost could for the most part reach up to $33.71 by 2030, which truly is genuinely critical. This would be a huge increment from its in every way that really matters current cost of around $2.73 in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, it for the most part is essential to in every practical sense recall that land sort of is developing. Thus truly is its reception rate, utility, and potential, which by and large is very huge. Subsequently, a moderate methodology could truly be in every way that really matters more exact just for the principal half of the 10 years. Thinking about the entirety of the above mentioned, it would basically give the idea that Luna really is a genuinely encouraging interest in an unobtrusive manner. Consequently, the cost expectations